All right, today I want to introduce to you the very first, what I'm calling the next level of Hunterworks belts by a new manufacturer. This is the Hunterworks HW521KM. It replaces the HW521K. It also is the OEM equivalent to the Can Am 280366. And I want you to take note of this little emblem on the OE belt, and right beside our nice looking new logo, you're going to see the same little emblem here. That just simply means same people are making these two belts. The applications for this particular belt, and I may get it wrong on video, but it's going to be older Commanders, older Mavericks, Outlanders, 500, 650, 850, and 1000, 850 and 1002, a 24 model, and I'm pretty positive they went to the P-drive clutches in 25. We do have a belt for that, so stay tuned for the next video. But nonetheless, those are applications. What's different? You know, why buy this over this? Well, the bigger difference in some aftermarket belts is the fact that we can manipulate better compounds and dimensions, or we can manipulate the compound to achieve something different and dimensions the same. So we essentially can take the high quality methods that this company builds these belts at and then change the belt a little bit, make it work differently and better for you. And that separates our belt from the OEM, and also the OEM, we can't have their belt. They can't have the exact thing, but we don't want their belt. We want to take it to the next level. So anyway, that's enough about that. I'm going to do a little video also just to give you more information on the differences between OEM aftermarket and one aftermarket versus another style of aftermarket. So stay tuned, subscribe, like. I appreciate you guys, and I'm looking forward to you trying out one of our brand new next level belts. If you ever had a bad experience, and I hope that you didn't, it ain't been that many, and you want to try it, we'd love for you to try it again. So give us a holler. Appreciate you.